10 secrets to make a difficult man fall in love. When a woman likes a man, usually before embarking on the conquest, analyzes him and tries to define how he is in order to create a plan of attack. Many women encounter men who are not very open, who do not like to talk about themselves and little in none of them, making it difficult to approach. If you are wondering how to woo a difficult man, here are 10 secrets to implement now. Number 1. Do not push pull. When you push, you simply push him away. Pushing means looking at all costs to be with him even though you are not requested. Instead of having conversation with him, questioning him, men do not like to feel harassed. Are you trying to get information they do not want to give? If you push him, he will walk away. Instead of pushing pull, when he talks to you, let him do so. Show yourself interested and respectful on what he shares with you. Do not be tempted to question him. Simply allow him to go the further he can. Usually when a man feels heard and respected, starts to lower the guard and wants to spend more time with you. Number 2. Make him feel comfortable. Respect him at all times. He does not like you to judge him or give him unsocialized or give him any advice. He just wants to talk and feel understand. Do not try to be his mother to tell him what he should or should not do. Never give him an advice he does not ask. Number 3. Too much attention. Many women show themselves too cute and attentive to the man who attracts them. This also pushes him away because you are showing signs of wanting a relationship with him as soon as possible, even without knowing him well. He wants you to love him for who he is, not because you want to get a boyfriend. Number 4. Discreet. Do not give signals that short "I love you" and would do anything to be by your side. This alienates anyone. A man does not know what to expect from a woman that gives persistent signs of wanting something with him. Generally, they think they are easy girls who behave like this with anyone. Number 5. Queen of mystery. Do not tell him on the first date all your life, childhood traumas and innermost secrets. Men do like mystery and themselves go revealing the mysteries of your life and heart. Let him do his job. Before bearing your soul, know him better to know if he is worthy to know your secrets. This way you will keep him interested. Number 6. What he sees in your clothes. When you show yourself too provocative in the way you dress, instead of thinking how beautiful you are, he may be thinking that you are easy girl and you go to bed with any man who pays you a little bit of attention. Be careful how you dress and what your clothes say about you. Number 7. Be interesting. Nothing sexier than an intelligent person. Be interesting in your talk, not trying to impress. A woman who has the ability to talk about the different topics is a magnet to any man because he knows he will never get bored with her. Number 8. You are the most important. Before all, a good deal of dignity and respect of yourself. If a man despises you and somehow disrespects you, does not work to love him, the first love you should have in life is for yourself. Never let someone step on your dignity. Number 9. You are what you think of yourself. If you think you are a beautiful woman inside and out, you deserve to be loved, cared and respected, and that's what you transmit. The way you treat yourself, you will be treated. To love a man first, you have to fall in love with yourself. Number 8. Attitude. Tons of attitude, self-esteem and confidence in yourself. A girl with attitude not only conquers a difficult man, she can also conquer the world. So, these are the 10 secrets to make a difficult man fall in love. Let me repeat them. Number 1. Do not push, pull. Number 2. Make him feel comfortable. Number 3. Too much attention. Number 4. Discreet. Number 5. Queen of mystery. What he sees in your clothes. Number 7, be interesting. 8, you are the most important. Number 9, you are what you think of yourself. Number 10, attitude. So thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to become a Cyclogy subscriber. Thanks for watching.